single displacement reaction between aluminum metal and copper chloride will work until you run out of one of those two reactants. And that's called the limiting reactant. In other words, the reaction will last as long as it can until one of the two ingredients gets used up. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. I have 12 grams of copper chloride dissolved in 100 milliliters of water. And we're going to add 2 grams of aluminum to that. The aluminum will come in and replace the copper, resulting in aluminum chloride, which is a liquid and pure copper metal. If you look closely, you can see a brown color change. That's the copper being produced. We'll add the rest of the aluminum. Now this brown color that you see on the aluminum is actual metallic copper being produced because the aluminum is replacing the copper out of the copper chloride. Now, as long as you know the mass of the aluminum and the mass of the copper chloride before you start, then you can calculate how much copper you should get during this reaction. When the reaction is complete, the metallic copper will be at the bottom of the beaker. You can pour the liquid off the top, wash it with distilled water a couple of times, and allow it to dry. And that will create a final product of pure copper metal that you can get its mass and compare to the theoretical amount